Good morning, students. Today I am starting a new chapter, whole numbers. In earlier classes, you have studied about natural number, whole number, integers, and even number, odd number. These numbers come naturally and hence they are called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot. These are called natural numbers because we can count them. So these numbers are called natural numbers. And if we write 0 with a natural number, then this collection is called whole numbers. A natural number containing 0 is a collection of whole numbers. The natural numbers together with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. यदि प्राकृतिक संख्याओं के परिवार में 0 को हम शामिल करते हैं तो यह कलेक्शन, यह समूह पूर्ण संख्याओं का समूह कहलाता है. कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल होल नंबर्स इज डिनोटेड बाय W एंड कलेक्शन ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स is denoted by the symbol N, capital N. So if we have to write whole numbers, then we use the symbol W, and if we have to write natural numbers, then you use the symbol N. So some important facts which is required for you: each natural number is a whole number because a whole number is a collection of all natural numbers together with 0. So this fact is very important for you. Each natural number is a whole number. Reason is that a whole number is a collection of all natural numbers, and all whole numbers except 0. यदि पूर्ण संख्याओं के परिवार में से 0 को हटा दिया जाए तो मात्र प्राकृत संख्याओं का परिवार बचता है. All whole numbers except 0 are natural numbers. 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. It is remembered to note that 0 is a whole number but it is not a natural number. And we have to know that the smallest natural number is 1. The smallest natural number is 1, but the greatest natural number cannot be obtained because natural numbers are infinite. So this is very important to know that the smallest natural number is 1 and the greatest natural number cannot be obtained. The smallest whole number is 0, but the greatest whole number cannot be obtained. These facts are very important to understand and solve questions. Now I am going to a new term, to introduce a new term, successor and predecessor. We have to know what is a successor and what is a predecessor. Successor means अनुवर्ती संख्या. The number, if we add 1 in a number, we get the successor of that number. The number obtained on adding 1 to a natural number, यदि प्राकृतिक संख्याओं में यदि हम 1 को जोड़ देते हैं, as for example सक्सेसर ऑफ 19 का अनुवर्ती संख्या क्या है, तो 19 में हम क्या करेंगे, 1 जोड़ देंगे तो 20 विल बी सक्सेसर ऑफ 19. सिमिलरली इफ वी हैव टू फाइंड द सक्सेसर ऑफ ए नेचुरल नंबर, then you will add 1 to a given number, then you will get successor. So the number obtained on adding 1 to a natural number is called the successor of the natural number n. And similarly, predecessor, पूर्ववर्ती संख्या, पहले की संख्या, तो द नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 1, किसी संख्या में से, किसी प्राकृतिक संख्या में से 1 घटा देने पर जो संख्या प्राप्त होती है उसे हम पूर्ववर्ती संख्या अर्थात प्रेडिसेसर कहते हैं. द नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 1 to a natural number other than 1 is called the predecessor of the natural number. As for example, predecessor of 12 is equal to 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So if you have to find the predecessor, then you can subtract 1 from natural number, then you will get predecessor of that number. So I am going to write the definition of successor and predecessor. You will note and remember successor. Yes. At first I write about whole number. Whole number. All natural numbers the natural numbers together with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. प्राकृतिक संख्याओं के समूह में 0 को शामिल कर लेने से पूर्ण संख्याओं का परिवार बनता है. The natural numbers together with 0 form the collection of whole numbers, and it is denoted by, I had said, is denoted by W. And now successor अनुवर्ती संख्या successor, the number obtained on adding 1, the number obtained on adding 1 to a natural number is called the successor. Natural number is called the successor of a number. Of the natural number. Example, successor of 49 is equal to 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. Similarly, you can find the successor of natural number. The number obtained on adding 1 to a natural number is called the successor of the natural number. Now, predecessor. What is the predecessor? पूर्ववर्ती संख्या. In Hindi, predecessor means पूर्ववर्ती संख्या. Predecessor, पूर्ववर्ती संख्या. The number obtained, the number obtained on subtracting, number obtained on subtracting 1 to a natural number, 1 to a natural number is called the natural number is called the predecessor of the natural number. Is called the predecessor is called the predecessor of the natural number. You will write the definitions of whole numbers, successor, and predecessor. This is very important for you, and now we will start. Some examples are given in your book. Write the successor of the following numbers. If you have to find the successor of the given number, you can add 1 to a natural number and you will get successor of that number. If you have to find the predecessor of the natural number, you can subtract 1 from a given number, then you will get the predecessor of the given number. Now next topic is in your book is given number line. Number line and operations on number line is the process of obtaining a number using 2 or more numbers. More numbers is called operation. As for example, the numbers which are to be added, are called addends. The number obtained on adding is called the sum. So this is also very important. What is addition? About addition, what is addends and what is the sum? The numbers which are to be added. जिस संख्या को जोड़ना होता है उसे हम एडेंट्स कहते हैं, और जोड़ने के बाद जो हमें संख्या प्राप्त होती है उसे हम सम कहते हैं. Now the examples of predecessor. Example: predecessor of 12. Predecessor of 12 is equal to 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So finding predecessor, we subtract 1 from a given number, and finding successor, we add 1 to a given number. So these definitions are very important. You can note on your notebook, remarkable. This will help you to solve the problems. And in next class, I will teach you representation of numbers on a number line. In next class, I will teach you representation of numbers on a number line. Thank you. Subscribe